If you want to personalize your browser and make your Chrome profile look a lot more like you, this video is going to show you exactly how to add your picture to Google Chrome profile in just a few easy steps. This is super useful if you use Chrome on your own computer, share a device with other people, or just want to make it easier to recognize your account at a glance. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Before you do anything else, make sure you're signed in to the Google account that you want to use for this profile picture. That part matters, because the photo you add will be tied to the Chrome profile connected to that account. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the window. You'll see your profile icon there. This may be a default avatar, a letter, or an existing photo if you've already set one before. Click that profile icon to open the Chrome profile menu. Inside the profile menu, look for the small camera icon near your current profile picture. This camera icon is what lets you change or update your Chrome profile image. Go ahead and click it. As soon as you do, Chrome will open the profile photo settings. Now you should see an option that says Upload from Device. Click that option so you can choose a picture stored on your computer. A file browser window will appear, and this is where you can select the image you want to use for your Chrome profile. Browse through your folders and find the photo you want. It can be a personal photo, a logo, or any image you prefer, as long as it's saved on your device. Select the image file and open it. After that, Chrome may give you a chance to adjust the photo before saving it. If you see editing options, take a moment to crop the image, reposition it, or adjust the preview so it looks the way you want. This step is important because Chrome profile pictures usually appear in a small circle, so you want the most important part of the image to be centered and visible. When the photo looks right, click Next, then choose Save as Profile Picture. Chrome will apply the image to your profile, and your new picture will now appear whenever you use that Chrome account. And that's it. You've successfully added your picture to your Google Chrome profile. It only takes a minute, but it can make your browser feel much more personal and organized. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.